What's going on, guys? SL Wayne back again with another Excel tutorial, and we're working out of Excel today. And what we're going to talk about is how to clean up some data that got sent to you and you want it to look a lot better. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, I have data here. I have 3 rows of data, and I have some customers listed that are past due on their accounts. So what we want to look at is how can we make this more pleasing to the eye. So the first thing we want to do is go in here and select all your data, and once your data is selected, you want to come in and copy that data. Now go down to a blank row and go to your paste options, and when you get to your paste options, you want to hit transpose. There, now you have much cleaner data to look at, so we can take it a step further and then make it better looking. Today's sponsor brought to you by August Day Counter House. Their luxury counters are hand poured and crafted for the refined yet cheap counter lover. The aromas arouse all senses, creating a reminiscent experience or mood. Shop their latest counter collection, Her, online today. And for all my subscribers, you get 10% off your entire order. So hurry over to augustdaycounterhouse.com. Type in the discount code XLWayne to enjoy your savings. Let's go back to our programming. So we want to come here. We can close that off. We can come in here, insert table. And now we have a table here, so we have drop downs. I talked about filters before. You can see the link in the description. Also check out the iCard if you need a refresher on filters. So we have everything here. So now that's all to transpose. So it's a quick, easy tip for you guys. So the next time you get some data like that, use this feature. So make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, check me out on Instagram at Excel_Wayne, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.